go with another package for product reviews in the YouTube channel. Go and check everything we have there. Every week we have something really interesting. Oh, I open a lot of packages. I should know by now. It has a pull lever here. Let's see what we have here. Oh wow. This is the Olight Baton 4 Premium Edition, a rechargeable side switch flashlight with customized wireless charging. Wow, pretty advanced. And another product, this is the Olight Arkfeld portable flashlight with 3 light sources. Let's take a quick look here. So it says to turn it on, don't disassemble it. Please charge the flashlight fully before turning it on. So we're gonna do that. This is a magnetic wire to charge it. Nice packaging. Wow, look at that design, pretty patriotic. So this can charge through here. It has this clip to put it on your pocket. It has a laser beam too, a light, a blue light it looks like, and a bright light. So obviously we're gonna try it at night, see how it is. It has like 75% of charge, so it should be good. We'll try it tonight. Manual instructions, which is a lot of reading material in very tiny font. So if you want to do that, you can do it. But I have experienced other products from this company. They're really good, very good quality. So we'll go out tonight when it's dark. Let's open up this one. Very different packaging. This is, according to the description, more luxurious, more premium. The packaging is, for sure. So again, some instructions. Let's see what it says here. Baton 4 Premium Edition. Tell us to unscrew it and take out the protective layer that goes between the battery. So let's pull here. There you go. Looks like a big lighter. Really cool. It has 45% of battery charge, it looks like. Oh, it comes out. Oh, this is the protective layer from the charging port, which is down there. I think you can see it. So you can charge it through there. So we have a strap that I'm gonna say goes here. We have trouble doing this, I'll do it later. Again, a lot of instructions. A microfiber cloth to clean it. Wow, this company puts a lot of effort explaining the whole process. This is just the warnings, and this is the user manual. Very detailed. I'll take a quick look here. Shows you the charging level there. Just the way the packaging is done tells you this is a very high quality product. It feels solid, feels heavy, not cheap plastic. So this is basically, you can say it's a charging station, but it's good to keep it safe. So this is much smaller, might not be charged. So although it says here 44%, 45, let me see. Oh, it might have another protection layer under here. Yes, there it is. That's why it was turned it on. Let me just make sure there's not another one. Nope. Wow, powerful for the size. Again, we'll try it tonight, but it looks really, really nice. I like the product. There's the wire. and one side goes in but doesn't come out. I don't really know what the trick is. Oh, I think it's coming out now. I have to try something else. Let me get something. So actually, the first use of this light is to see through here, and let's see if we can pull it out with this mini screwdriver. There it is. Wow, it wasn't easy, but the actual light helped us do the trick. There it is. Now it's attached. So there you go. One of the many uses that you can have for this. Obviously, nowadays you have a light on your phone, but I mean, it's good, but not as bright. You can probably see the difference. This is much brighter than the phone. Olight Baton 4 Premium Edition. We're still gonna go out tonight and do some outside demonstration, but I really like the product. So here I am riding my bike. Look how bright these lights are, very safe. People can see you from far, far away. Let's try this one. This is a blue light, so this, I will try it inside. But you can even see the effect there. And there's the laser. You can see it here. Very powerful. I'm waking Simon there. How are you, Simon? This one, a little one. Let's try the other one. Well, this is a really nice neighborhood, but for some reason we don't have enough street lights. So here's the light inside the case. Let me pull it out. Wow, really nice. You can see a big difference there. So here's a little demonstration. Look at that. And it's pretty impressive, the power, because the size of it is very small. But yet it's really powerful. Good product from this company. So I've done this test here in this alley, the darkest side of my house, and let's see how incredibly bright this light is. There's two settings, and this is the smaller one, the one that comes in this little case. That's that one with the lower setting. Let's try this other one. Again, super bright, especially when it's flashing, and the laser beam here in the palm tree. Amazing products. And now here in my studio, let's try the blue light. Oh, it looks super cool. That's a ski resort, Portillo in Chile. Look how this glows. It's amazing, really. My shoe collection, but this is the one I like the best. The Andes in my studio.